little chefs. Today, we're learning numbers with yummy treats. Look! We have one big cookie. Can you say one? Now, we have one. 2 apples. Let's count together. 1, 2. Cake. 1, 2, 3 slices. Can you count with me? Time for bananas. 1, 2, 3 for bananas. Great counting, everyone. Wow, so many lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lollipops. You're all number stars. Learning numbers is fun and delicious. Keep counting, little chefs. See you next time for more fun with Chef Doggy.